Welcome to Coco Highland. Today we're going to do the spinning wheel challenge, and whatever it lands on, I have to do it. And I'm really hoping for rainbow cake.
Homemade cupcakes.
Yeah, I love homemade cupcakes! Okay, so we're gonna make homemade cupcakes, and I have to make it myself. Mom's gonna get the ingredients. That's videoing me right now. Now I have my whisk. Mix our dry ingredients first, then we're gonna do the wet. First we dump a whole thing of flour. Ooh, wow, that looks cool. I just did some salt. Only 2 pinches if you want to try this at home. And then if you have vanilla and if you have this, just pour it into the big hole. My oven already heated it, but we're not ready. So, oh yes, got it.
It's okay.
Okay, Mom. My mom just talked. I hope you didn't hear the whole thing. There, it's full good. Okay, vanilla in. And the last one, sugar. All the thing. Now we mix. Now we're gonna add the wet ingredients. This is an egg, and we're adding 3 eggs because this is how the ingredient goes. Okay. Ooh, I don't like eggs. Thank you, Mama. And now we're gonna mix this up. But always remember, if you're a kid that makes messes all the time, just put it on 1. Okay, now I mixed it. Now we have to get off the sides. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I changed my mind, everyone. I'm gonna do red, yellow, green. 1. Mom made a rainbow cupcake, so I'm gonna add some yellow onto it. My stool leaned. I'm so sorry. My stool just leaned. My stool always does that. Okay, now we're going to put it in the oven. Here, Mom. Wow. Time for the taste test. Make sure to like and subscribe.